Can you understand everyday English questions? In this video, you will learn 100 daily use English questions. Listen carefully, repeat after me and improve your English step by step. Let's get started.
तुझे नाव काय आहे?
What's your name? What's your name?
तुझे पूर्ण नाव काय आहे?
What's your full name? What's your full name?
तुला काय म्हणतात?
What do people call you? What do people call you?
तू कुठे राहतोस?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
तू कोणत्या शहरामध्ये राहतोस?
Which city do you live in? Which city do you live in?
तू कोणत्या गावचा आहेस?
Which village are you from? Which village are you from?
तू कोणत्या वर्गामध्ये शिकतोस?
What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
तू कोणत्या शाळेमध्ये शिकतोस?
Which school do you go to? Which school do you go to?
तुला शाळेत जायला आवडतं का?
Do you like going to school? Do you like going to school?
तुझा आवडता विषय कोणता आहे?
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
तुला इंग्रजी आवडतं का?
Do you like English? Do you like English?
तू रोज इंग्रजीचा सराव करतोस का?
Do you practice English every day? Do you practice English every day?
तू इंग्रजी कुठे शिकतोस?
Where do you learn English? Where do you learn English?
तू घरी इंग्रजी बोलतोस का?
Do you speak English at home? Do you speak English at home?
तू रोज किती वाजता उठतोस?
What time do you wake up every day? What time do you wake up every day?
उठल्यावर सर्वात आधी काय करतोस?
What do you do first after waking up? What do you do first after waking up?
तू रोज नाश्ता करतोस का?
Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day?
तुला नाश्त्यामध्ये काय आवडतं?
What do you like to have for breakfast? What do you like to have for breakfast?
तू शाळेमध्ये कसा जातोस?
How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
तू शाळेत किती वाजता पोहोचतोस?
What time do you get to school? What time do you get to school?
तुझा पहिला तास कोणता असतो?
What is your first lecture? What is your first lecture?
तू वर्गामध्ये कुठे बसतोस?
Where do you sit in the classroom? Where do you sit in the classroom?
तू वर्गामध्ये लक्ष देऊन ऐकतोस का?
Do you pay attention in the class? Do you pay attention in the class?
तू गृहपाठ रोज पूर्ण करतोस का?
Do you finish your homework every day? Do you finish your homework every day?
तू परीक्षेची तयारी कशी करतोस?
How do you prepare for your exams? How do you prepare for your exams?
तुला कोणता विषय कठीण वाटतो?
Which subject do you find difficult? Which subject do you find difficult?
तुला कोणता विषय सगळ्यात सोपा वाटतो?
Which subject do you find the easiest? Which subject do you find the easiest?
तू वर्गामध्ये प्रश्न विचारतोस का?
Do you ask questions in class? Do you ask questions in class?
तुला वाचनाची आवड आहे का?
Do you enjoy reading? Do you enjoy reading?
तू कोणत्या प्रकारची पुस्तकं वाचतोस?
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
तू दररोज किती वेळ अभ्यास करतोस?
How long do you study every day? How long do you study every day?
तू अभ्यासासाठी वेळ कसा काढतोस?
How do you make time for studying? How do you make time for studying?
तू मोबाईल किती वेळ वापरतोस?
How much time do you spend on your phone? How much time do you spend on your phone?
तू रोज व्यायाम करतोस का?
Do you exercise every day? Do you exercise every day?
तुला चालायला आवडतं का?
Do you like walking? Do you like walking?
तू संध्याकाळी काय करतोस?
What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening?
तू रात्री किती वाजता झोपतोस?
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
झोपण्यापूर्वी तू काय करतोस?
What do you do before going to bed? What do you do before going to bed?
तू रोज किती तास झोपतोस?
How many hours do you sleep every day? How many hours do you sleep every day?
तुझ्या घरी कोण कोण आहेत?
Who lives with you? Who lives with you?
तुझ्या कुटुंबात किती सदस्य आहेत?
How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
तू घरी कोणासोबत जास्त बोलतोस?
Who do you talk to the most at home? Who do you talk to the most at home?
तू घरी आईला मदत करतोस का?
Do you help your mother at home? Do you help your mother at home?
तुला स्वयंपाक करायला येतो का?
Can you cook? Can you cook?
तुला कोणता पदार्थ सर्वात जास्त आवडतो?
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
तुला तिखट खायला आवडतं का?
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
तू रोज पुरेसं पाणी पितोस का?
Do you drink enough water every day? Do you drink enough water every day?
तुझं आवडतं फळ कोणतं आहे?
What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
तू बाहेरचं जेवण किती वेळा खातोस?
How often do you eat out? How often do you eat out?
तुला चहा आवडतो की कॉफी?
Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee?
तुझा सर्वात जवळचा मित्र कोण आहे?
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
तुझी मैत्री कशी झाली?
How did you become friends? How did you become friends?
तुम्ही एकत्र काय करता?
What do you do together? What do you do together?
तू मित्रांना नेहमी मदत करतोस का?
Do you always help your friends? Do you always help your friend?
तुला नवीन मित्र बनवायला आवडतं का?
Do you like making new friends? Do you like making new friends?
तुला कोणत्या प्रकारचे लोक आवडतात?
What kind of people do you like? What kind of people do you like?
तुझा आवडता छंद कोणता आहे?
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
तुला संगीत ऐकायला आवडतं का?
Do you like listening to music? Do you like listening to music?
तुला कोणत्या प्रकारचं संगीत आवडतं?
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
तुला चित्रपट पाहायला आवडतात का?
Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies?
तुझा आवडता चित्रपट कोणता आहे?
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
तुला प्रवास करायला आवडतं का?
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
तुला कोणत्या ठिकाणी जायला आवडेल?
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go?
तुला नवीन ठिकाणं पाहायला का आवडतं?
Why do you like visiting new places? Why do you like visiting new places?
तुला खरेदी करायला आवडतं का?
Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping?
तू खरेदीला किती वेळा जातोस?
How often do you go shopping? How often do you go shopping?
तुला ऑनलाईन खरेदी करायला आवडतं का?
Do you like shopping online? Do you like shopping online?
खरेदी करताना तू काय पाहतोस?
What do you look for when shopping? What do you look for when shopping?
तुला पैसे वाचवायला आवडता का?
Do you like saving money? Do you like saving money?
तुझा आवडता मोबाईल ॲप कोणता आहे?
What's your favorite mobile app? What's your favorite mobile app?
तू इंटरनेटचा वापर कशासाठी करतोस?
What do you use the internet for? What do you use the internet for?
तू रोज सोशल मीडियाचा वापर करतोस का?
Do you use social media every day? Do you use social media every day?
तू यूट्यूबवर काय पाहतोस?
What do you watch on YouTube? What do you watch on YouTube?
आज हवामान कसं आहे?
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
तुला कोणता ऋतू सर्वात जास्त आवडतो?
Which season do you like the most? Which season do you like the most?
तुला पावसाळा आवडतो का?
Do you like the rainy season? Do you like the rainy season?
तुला उन्हाळा आवडतो की हिवाळा?
Do you prefer summer or winter?
तू तुझ्या आरोग्याची काळजी कशी घेतोस?
How do you take care of your health? How do you take care of your health?
तुला वेळेवर झोपायची सवय आहे का?
Do you usually go to bed on time? Do you usually go to bed on time?
तू रोज फळं खातोस का?
Do you eat fruit every day? Do you eat fruit every day?
तू आजारी पडलास तर काय करतोस?
What do you do when you get sick? What do you do when you get sick?
तू डॉक्टरांकडे किती वेळा जातोस?
How often do you visit the doctor? How often do you visit the doctor?
तुला निरोगी राहायचं आहे का?
Do you want to stay healthy? Do you want to stay healthy?
तुझ्या मते चांगलं आरोग्य महत्त्वाचं आहे का?
Do you think good health is important? Do you think good health is important?
तू निरोगी राहण्यासाठी काय करतोस?
What do you do to stay healthy? What do you do to stay healthy?
तुला सण साजरे करायला आवडतात का?
Do you like celebrating festivals? Do you like celebrating festivals?
तुझा आवडता सण कोणता आहे?
What's your favorite festival? What's your favorite festival?
तू सण कसा साजरा करतोस?
How do you celebrate festival? How do you celebrate festivals?
तू शेवटचा प्रवास कुठे केला?
Where did you go on your last trip? Where did you go on your last trip?
तुला बसने प्रवास करायला आवडतं की ट्रेनने?
Do you prefer traveling by bus or by train? Do you prefer traveling by bus or by train?
भविष्यात तुला कुठे फिरायला जायचं आहे?
Where would you like to travel in the future? Where would you like to travel in the future?
तुझं स्वप्न काय आहे?
What's your dream? What's your dream?
मोठं झाल्यावर तुला काय बनायचं आहे?
What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up?
तू तुझी स्वप्न कशी पूर्ण करशील?
How do you plan to achieve your dreams? How do you plan to achieve your dreams?
तुला नवीन कौशल्य शिकायचं आहे का?
Would you like to learn a new skill? Would you like to learn a new skill?
तुला कोणतं कौशल्य शिकायचं आहे?
Which skill would you like to learn? Which skill would you like to learn?
तुला इंग्रजी का शिकायचं आहे?
Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English?
तू रोज इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोस का?
Do you try to speak English every day? Do you try to speak English every day?
तुला इंग्रजी बोलताना भीती वाटते का?
Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you feel nervous when speaking English?
चूक झाली तर तू काय करतोस?
What do you do when you make a mistake? What do you do when you make a mistake?